Zoonotic transmission is one of the modes of transmission over here in cases of coronavirus. So basically, as I've already mentioned, that human-to-human transmission, when basically the coronavirus enters or infects a human and it doesn't get mutated in the animals, it won't cause quite a fatal disease in the individuals. But whenever the reservoirs, the primary or the secondary reservoirs are the animals, they prove to be quite fatal in these particular cases. So we'd already discussed when we went through the historical background of the coronavirus that it has the reservoirs of animals as well. Bats were the primary reservoirs in all cases till now. Even in 2002, in 2012, and over here in December 2019, bats were the primary reservoirs in all of these three cases. The secondary reservoirs tend to be different. It were the camels and it were the sea whales, and these days it is the pangolins that basically caused the COVID-19 mutations, which further on infected the humans and proved to be fatal for the individuals who were already suffering from the comorbid conditions of any prolonged or long-standing conditions of hypertension, known cases of diabetes mellitus, or the asthmatic patients having the history of chronic smoking also makes you more prone to the fatality rate and can prove to be fatal. That coronavirus can prove to be fatal in these individuals. So the zoonotic transmission and this mode of transmission basically causes the mutations which are fatal enough for the human beings that we are basically looking for over here.